What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Corey T, and I'm back with another video. Real quick and simple, short, sweet, nice video to come to you guys with because I want to put you guys on as soon as possible. I don't want to wait. I'm usually like, hey, this is what I did like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days ago. And no, this is what I did today. So I just want you guys to kind of basically, if y'all want to tag in and be on the same journey that I'm on, check it out. Just hear me out. So let me hit the profile real quick. 4150, made $50 a day, up 1.17% today. Total amount invested, my total gain. You see it. With a drop, still ain't dropped yet. However, today I did something very special. It's not really special, but I did a thing today. That's what I'm gonna say. I did a thing today. I took user testing. Well, I went to user testing and I kind of looked at it for what it was. User testing is at $7.50 a share, and it goes up to $7.51, drop down, and they keep doing it all day, right? And it has been doing that for about quite some time. Let me go back to the month. It has been doing that for quite some time, and I just figured, hey, why not go to a stock and try to get another stock from that stock. I was down negative, I think $35 according to my past or previous videos, or the video I'm gonna probably attach to this one. I was down $35 and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just sell a certain amount to get a certain amount of shares for another company. The other company that I speak of is the one that I kind of did a review on. It was up 50% the other day, and then today it dropped all the way down, and it was coasting like crazy at 16 cents per share. So I did invest. That's what I'm coming to you guys to let you guys know, that I did invest in SWVL Holdings. And with that further ado, $170 was able to get me 1,017 shares. So let's do the math. If this stock, and I quote, if I continue this journey, if this stock goes up to $1, that'll be 1 times 1017.96407,185. Y'all see the number, shares on, times the stock price. That's how much money I have. So I basically have $1,017. So with that being said, that's a stack. That's 1,000 from 170. If you do the math, that's 1017 minus 170. That's 847. That's if it go up to $1. Imagine if it go up to $2. Imagine if it go up to 3, 4. And to really dive into this particular stock, it's kind of promising. I had to do some research. This is not my full extent of research, but this was a piece of my research. You know me. I go to Google and I type in that stock, see what it's doing. They got a 52-week high of 1140 and a 52-week low of 0.082. So in my head, I'm like, wait a minute. It could go down as little as 8 cents, but it could go up as much as $11. Now let's take it a step further. Let's go to the stock predictions. So money.cnn.com, whatever, is somewhat reliable. It's not 100%. No prediction is 100%. So you got to understand where I'm coming from when I look at these things. I'm looking at 52-week high. I'm looking at 52-week low. If it go down to 8 cents, would I be mad? Yes or no? That's a real question. First of all, no, because it's only 170, and then the stock that I took it from personally is not even moving at any particular rate at all. So I'm really not losing money in a sense, because it wasn't doing nothing before in the other stock, which was user testing. I still kept some of my user testing. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I still kept some of my user testing. So don't get that misconstrued like, oh, you sold all user testing just to get this. No, that's not what it did. You see the video, notice I still have a few shares, and I just decided to move some of them shares to a different stock. I'm playing it smart. You got to be smart with it. So with that being said, looking at the prediction, this is within the next 12 months. Right now it's at 16 cents. The high is at $8. Let me go back to the calculator real quick. So I have 1770 times 8 minus my 170, because I always got to take that out. That's a $7,000 profit. I mean, go figure it. But that's only if it hit the max of 8. Also, it has a median of 6.5. 6 times 1,000, 6,000, and it has a low of $5. That changed today actually, because the low earlier today was predicted to be $1, and even if it hit $1, I'm still up 1,000, which is the 800 number that I showed you guys earlier. So it's looking pretty promising in a sense. However, if you want to tag team this journey with me, I'm just saying, I'm not a financial advisor. I would never tell you guys to go to a particular stock and invest. I'm not telling you to do that at all. You don't got to invest in this. Don't do it. Well, I can't tell you no to do it either. But do whatever you want to do. But what I'm telling you is I'm starting a journey and I'm trying to get to a certain amount. This video is basically to invite my, I would say my subscribers, my supporters, my YouTube community to start the same, and then start the same journey as I am, first of all. And then on top of that, it's one of the cheapest stocks out there in a sense. So go figure. But with that being said, I did want to come to you guys and share that information, because at the end of the day, why hold it? Did I wait for you guys to go invest? No, I did it first. I'm telling you, it ain't even about if you go do it. You do it. If you do it, you do it. If not, you don't. But I just want to start like something I can, kind of include everybody on, because everybody be like, hey man, how can I get started? How much do I got to put up? And this. I'm telling you right now, you only got to put in 16 cents. You only got to put in $1. So with that being said, man, I just had to come and slide y'all way. But other than that, everything else is still, doing what it's going to do. Sono, still at -23. Sono, we going to work there. We going to work towards something. Sono, get right, Sono. And Water Drop is still top dog right now. It's almost like, I really want to know what Water Drop going to do for real. And I'm still waiting to see what that dividend is going to look like, because boy. What else we got? I think I might just end it there, because I really was coming on here to show you guys, the new drop. That's what I'm gonna start calling the new drop. So with that being said, don't miss the wave. I'm just trying to show you guys before it get too late, and I'm trying to show you guys, hey, tap in for real. Because think about it. The reason why stock prices once again go up, supply and demand. If more people are buying and sharing, what it is. But with that being said, further ado, this is your boy Corey T, and we are out of here.